Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the brain teasers of the lesson profit, loss and discount. Question A, tick the correct option. Subdivision A, if the selling price of an article is twice the cost price, the profit percent is, how much it will be? So, if the selling price of an article is twice the cost price, so how will you write? Let the cost price be rupees X. It is tick the correct option, but how you will solve it? So, first let the CP be X. And SP will be how much? It is twice. So, it will be SP will be 2x, isn't it? So, now the profit percent they have asked. So, first find out the profit. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is SP is 2x minus CP is X. So, you got rupees X is the profit. Now, profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Profit is how much? X. CP is how much? X into 100. So, X get cancelled. So, it will be 100%. So, second option is the answer. समझ में आया सबको? So, selling price is twice the cost price. इसके लिए cost price को x लेंगे, SP 2x होगा. SP is greater than CP. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP. 2x minus x is x. Profit percent formula डालो. P minus CP into 100. P and CP both are X, so it is 100%. Now coming to the question number B. A jeans is marked for rupees 2590 but is sold for 2331. Then discount percent. So marked means what? MP is equal to rupees 2590. Sold means SP is equal to rupees 2331. Now discount percent. So first you find out discount. Discount is always equal to MP minus SP. That is rupees 2590 minus 2331, that is 0 minus 1 is 9. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. Now here 5 minus 3 is 2. So you got discount 259. Now discount percent. Discount percent is calculated on what? Discount upon MP, isn't it? Into 100. So, discount is 259. MP is 2590 into 100. 1010 cut. 259 one time. So, the answer is 10%. Third option is the answer. सबको समझ में आया? मार्क्ड मतलब MP 2590, sold means SP 2331. So first find out discount MP minus SP. So you got 259. Discount percent is equal to discount upon MP into 100. Okay. Now coming to the question number C. It is if the selling price of a 5 pence is equal to the cost price of 4 pence, then gain or loss percent is selling price of 5 pence is equal to the cost price of 4 pence. So first let CP of 1 pen is equal to rupees X. This type of sum we have done in the worksheet, isn't it? So if the CP of 1 pen is rupees X, CP of 4 pence, how much it will be? It is rupees 4x, isn't it? So CP of 5 pence will be how much? Rupees 5x. But according to question, they have told the SP of 5 pence, SP of 5 pence is equal to the CP of SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence. SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence. CP of 4 pence is how much? Rupees 4x. Isn't it? So, CP of 5 pence is equal to rupees 5x, but SP of 5 pence is equal to rupees 4x. Now, which is greater? 5x is greater than 4x, means CP is greater than SP. So, you got loss is equal to CP minus SP. It is rupees 5x minus 4x, that is rupees x. Now they have asked the gain or loss percent. It is loss. So loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is x. CP is how much? 5x into 100. XX get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So it is 20%. So it is 20% loss. Second option. समझ में आया सबको? क्वेश्चन में क्या बोले हैं? SP of 5 pence is equal to the cost price of 4 pence. इसके लिए पहले CP of 1 pen x ले लो. So CP of 4 pence will be 4x. CP of 5 pence will be 5x. But according to question, SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence. So SP of 5 pence is equal to CP of 4 pence is 4x. समझ में आया? अभी CP of 5 pence कितना है? 5x. But according to question, SP of 5 pence कितना है? 4x. या हमेशा कंपेयर करने के वक्त 5 pence 5 pence, 1 pen 1 pen, like that you have to see. CP of 1 pence, CP of 5 pence. So CP of 5 pence is 5x, SP of 5 pence is 4x. So the CP is greater than SP, that is why it is loss. Find out loss. You got x. Then loss percent. Loss upon CP into 100. Is it clear? That was question number C. Now coming to question number D. It is the selling price of the shoes is rupees 420 including 5% GST. Including 5% GST. the original price of the shoes will be how much? You don't know the original price. Always the GST is on a original price, isn't it? So it is a, first you tell, it is a, let the original price is equal to how much? Rupees 420. Sorry, it is SP of, let it be X. I am sorry. Now GST percent, how much they have told? It is 5%. So total cost of the shoes including GST will be how much? Original it is X plus 5% of X. Yes or no? Original is X. For that you have to add 5% of X. But after GST, after including GST, it is 420. So 420 is equal to X plus 5% of X. So 420 is equal to X plus 5%, 5 upon 100 into X. That is 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So X plus X upon 20, that means if you take the LCM 20, here it will be X will become 20X plus X. So 420 is equal to 21X upon 20. So X is equal to 420 into 20 upon 21. 21 ones are, 21 twos are 0. Isn't it? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it will be 2 times. That means 2 twos are 4, 1, 2 zeros. So answer, original price is equal to rupees 400. So which is the option? Second option. So पहले ओरिजिनल प्राइस x लेंगे, हमें मालूम नहीं है, वही फाइंड आउट करने का है. GST परसेंट 5%. तो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द शूज इंक्लूडिंग GST विल बी हाउ मच? ऑलरेडी दिया है, सेलिंग प्राइस मतलब GST के साथ, that is 420 is equal to X, that is the original price plus the GST amount. GST amount is 5% of X. So calculate करो. याद रखो इधर LCM निकालना पड़ता है, ठीक है. Original price is rupees 400. Now discount is always calculated on, it is mark price. Remember, the profit percent, loss percent is calculated on CP and discount is always calculated on the marked price. Hope you are confident till here. Question number A we have finished. Bye. Thank you.